In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new paragraph in Microsoft Word, an easy guide for anyone working on documents. Creating paragraphs is one of the most basic yet essential skills in Microsoft Word. Paragraphs help organize your text, making it easier to read and understand. Whether you're writing essays, reports, or letters, knowing how to start a new paragraph ensures your content looks clean and professional. To begin, open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the new paragraph to start. A paragraph in Word is defined by pressing the Enter key. Simply type your text, and when you want to start a new paragraph, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Word will move the cursor down to the next line and create a new paragraph automatically. This is the easiest and most common way to separate ideas or topics within your document. You can also format paragraphs to improve readability. Highlight the paragraph you just created and go to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Paragraph group, you'll find options to adjust alignment, indentation, and spacing. For example, you can align text to the left, center, right, or justify it so it spreads evenly across the page. Adjusting line spacing or adding space before and after paragraphs can make your document look more organized. Another useful tip is using keyboard shortcuts to manage paragraphs efficiently. Pressing Shift and Enter creates a line break without starting a new paragraph, which is helpful when you want to continue text on a new line but keep it within the same paragraph. This technique is commonly used for addresses, poetry, or formatting complex layouts. Using styles can also help maintain consistency in your paragraphs. In the Home tab, the Styles group allows you to apply predefined formats such as Normal, Heading 1, or Heading 2. Applying these styles ensures all paragraphs in your document follow the same formatting rules, making your work look professional and uniform. By following these simple steps, you can easily create and format new paragraphs in Microsoft Word, giving your documents structure and clarity. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.